Welcome to a documentary exploring one of India's most ambitious economic ventures, the India Semiconductor Mission. This plan isn't just about high-tech manufacturing. It's about making everyday technology more affordable for millions. We begin with the core promise: how locally manufactured microchips could lead to significant long-term savings on devices like your next smartphone. Smartphones are central to modern life, but the cost of connectivity is deeply tied to global supply chains and tariffs on essential components, especially chips. Join us as we explore the history, consumer gains, sustainable future, and massive opportunities unlocked by India's decision to shift from being a primary chip importer to a local manufacturer. To understand the potential, we must look at where India started and the swift progress made by the India Semiconductor Mission, or ISM. Before the launch of the ISM, India relied on imports for over 95% of its semiconductor needs, making the domestic technology sector highly vulnerable to global supply shocks and price fluctuations. The 2021 launch of the ISM, backed by Production-Linked Incentive or PLI schemes, offered 50% project cost support. By 2026, 4 commercial production plants are slated to start operations, part of 10 approved projects across 6 states, representing massive investment. What does this monumental shift mean for the consumer and the common person? The core long-term benefit is affordability. By manufacturing chips domestically, India can cut down on high import tariffs and complex global supply chain logistics, translating into cost savings for consumers. While the immediate price drop is not guaranteed, long-term projections illustrate the potential savings. This could mean a long-term reduction equivalent to 5,000 rupees, making high-tech devices accessible to a broader population. We must be cautious. Global factors like ongoing memory and AI chip shortages may keep short-term prices high. However, the ISM plan provides a shield and ensures long-term price stability and affordability. The benefits extend beyond just consumer prices, touching upon economic growth and environmental sustainability. The approved projects are distributed across 6 states, including significant investments in Gujarat for assembly and testing, and fab projects in Assam and Andhra Pradesh. This decentralized investment is creating thousands of high-quality jobs and bolstering local economies. A key strategic focus of the ISM is on energy-efficient chip designs. This is crucial for powering future technologies like electric vehicles, renewable energy systems, and the Internet of Things, positioning India as a leader in green technology. Let's look at a few high-profile projects and the expected return on investment for the country. The Micron plant in Gujarat is focusing on assembly, testing, marking, and packaging, known as ATMP, while the Tata PSMC project moves into advanced fab manufacturing. These projects are the vanguard of the ISM. The estimated return on investment in scaled design and fabrication projects is projected to be between 10 to 25% over the next 2 decades, driven significantly by PLI incentives and robust global demand for semiconductors. Returns will vary based on scale and location. Where does this path lead? We look towards the year 2035 and beyond. By 2035, the goal is for India to be a self-reliant semiconductor hub, having dramatically reduced import dependence and becoming a global leader in designing and manufacturing green technology chips. India's chip plan promises not only affordable technology for its citizens, but also sustained economic growth and a vital role in the global transition to a sustainable digital future.